It is time! We unbox the Pure Base 500DX. Yes, this is a very compact, nice case that's focused on quality and quietness. It's a mid-tower case with a lot of flexibility. My favorite feature is that in the front of this case can fit a 360 radiator. The top can fit a 280 radiator. It comes with a bunch of silent wing 2 fans. I mean, this thing is loaded. So let's open up the box and see what kind of stuff we get with the Pure Base 500DX case by Be Quiet 500DX. If I can do this one-handed. Right, I can't even see. I almost dropped it. Hang on, here we go. Unboxing. Okay, some people might notice it looks like a toaster oven, but that's okay because toaster ovens are freaking awesome. Look at that right there. That is the front, and we got the white 500DX. They come in black and white. Both of them look great, but here's the white one right here. Let's actually take this out of the box. With all the power invested in me, we will now unbox the 500DX by Be Quiet. Oh, yeah. We got some foam on the side, but here's our case unboxed right there. There's the front. This is the Be Quiet 500DX mid-tower case. Whoa. Boom, right there. Here's our Pure Base 500DX user manual. Look at that slick case. Not only is that case good looking, full of expandability, but it's also quiet, hence the name Be Quiet. Flip this thing around, upside down, pop, comes the top. Yeah, here is the cover. Let me not drop this case. Oh, this thing is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It is gorgeous. This thing is nothing short of perfection, my brothers. Perfection. Gorgeous. Look at this case. Wow. It's such a nice, lightweight, compact case. But I know it can fit a 360 radiator in the front. And it can fit a 280 radiator at the top. What? This case is awesome. This case comes pre-installed with fans, guys. You see that? On the top, you have one fan right there. On the front, you have another fan. On the back, you have another fan. It comes pre-installed with the fans. Look at this right here. Oh, nice dust filter. Magnetic dust filter with groove. Slides on and sticks like that. Very easy to pull out and clean when you need to clean the dust filters. How nice. That's one dust filter. The front is obviously a dust filter. And the bottom is another dust filter right there. Huge dust filter. Let me see how this dust filter comes out. Boom. Look at that dust filter. Oversized dust filter. I'll take an oversized dust filter any day. So we have a dust filter back here. Nice. Even it locks in place here. Boom. Nice solid. Lock in place dust filter. We got dust filter on the bottom. Dust filter at the top right here. And of course, the front has a dust filter. I think we'll figure out how to take the front out later. But let's take out the side panel right here. So side panel, the way we take out the side panel is there's these 4 screws right here. Obviously 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. So let's take out the front glass. We have to be careful not to break anything. Dust filters everywhere. That's right. Here, let's take out the glass, okay? So we're gonna take out this front right here. 4 screws to take out the front. Yes, very easy to remove because they are thumb screw. You just need your thumb. And you also need your index finger, right? A thumb screw, but you still need your index finger. They'll screw you. You can't open a thumb screw with just your thumb. You need your index finger too. I got tricked. It's not just a thumb screw. It's a thumb and index finger screw. Okay, here we go. Let's take out the front. How does the front come out? Oh, whoa. You have to be careful, guys. You have to be careful because the glass just comes out like this. So you have to be careful. Very careful. So, whoa, right? Yeah. So here's our glass right there. Be careful. I know. That scared me. But here's our glass. Nice. Huge glass panel, right? Okay, let me put the glass panel down. So look how beautiful the inside looks. I really like the white. It's very clean. Like, you know how some cases have like black trims? This one is all white. Everything is white. Very nice. You get pre-installed 3 fans that come included with the case. I mean, this case is a deal because it's such a good quality case already with the features and flexibility. But not only that, but you also get 3 140mm Silent Wing 2 case fans. These are nice case fans, guys. You have one back here for exhaust, another one at the top, and one in the front here. So you have flexibility. Like I said, in the front, you can actually take out this hard drive tray right here. You can install a 360 radiator in front and up to a 280 radiator at the top. This thing has flexible mounting option for AIOs. It's like water cooler installation dream in a compact mid-sized tower case. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the Pure Base 500DX by Be Quiet. Really nice representation. You got so many mounting options for AIO. I almost dropped the case. You got 3 installed fans that come pre-installed. They are nice 140mm Silent Wing fans. This case rocks. It looks good, compact, build quality is great, and I'm gonna love building it. I will update you guys when I start building my next computer with this awesome Be Quiet case. This thing is amazing. Highly recommend the Pure Base 500DX right here. Yeah!